everyone, myself Shruti. I have a master degree in BLS and Embedded System, Odreva University with an aggregate of 76%. But still, I didn't find placement from my college, and I found difficult to find a job outside. That's how I planned to join Q Spiders with an inspiration from my sister. Like she told me to join Q Spiders. Like I started my Q Spiders session on the month of March, and then started with manual testing which was handled by Girish sir. It was awesome. The experience was awesome. He teaches you very good. He'll give you the real-time examples, and manual testing is awesome from Girish sir. It is and Asha sir is for Core Java, and he's like the most ever inspiring person I've ever seen in my life. And the knowledge which he has got in Core Java and for any matter, for any domain for that matter, is like awesome. You just have to learn what he tells you. And it was like continued by SQL. It was taught by Pradeep sir, and that was the major domain which you have to know as a fresher. You have to know, and that was taught by Pradeep sir. It was awesome. The knowledge which you gain from Pradeep sir is awesome. It was like parallel, started with automation, and which is taught by Banu Prakash sir. That again is like superb. You have to attend. It is that mandatory domain which you have to know, or the technology which you have to know when you have to enter into a corporate world. And for that, next for coming to the Q Spiders technology and the support which we got from Q Spiders is like superb. Like you'll never get it even from your college. It is like exactly the same college kind, and wherein they'll suggest you, they will motivate you to get job. That is what I've got it from Q Spiders. For that matter, it is like HR team it could be, or the faculties, or anyone from Q Spiders, like they will help you out in getting job. Then my personal suggestion towards you, like person who wanted to join this person, like you might have an thought of let me join or not. Please don't do that. Just take an initiative and join Q Spiders. You will definitely get job. Despite of getting job, you will definitely get to know many technologies that wherein you will not be understood, where you will not be getting it outside Q Spiders. So my suggestion is please join Q Spiders and get your job done. But 100% sure that you will get 100 job. Only then if you put forward your efforts, you will definitely get job. That is what my suggestion is from to Q Spiders, towards Q Spiders. Thank you so much.